Hello, how are you today? It's Rob Wynn. I'm back to give you some more preview of the six-figure side hustles. Now, hopefully you have watched the 3 episodes beforehand, and this obviously is episode 4. And who is on episode 4? About to reveal that to you. But before I do that, I just want to tell you something. Watch to the end. Why? Because you are going to get another freebie. And it's a guide that will help you start a side hustle now, right now. But I'm not going to reveal what that is. You can find it if you watched the episodes beforehand, which you can do because there's a playlist. I've just sorted it out, and you can go on that playlist and watch episode 1, episode 2, episode 3, and this episode. And then tomorrow we'll have episode 5. And of course, it's just a preview. It gives you a little bit of a taste of what will be on episode 4. And in case you don't know, and this is new to you, I've been banging on about it for ages. There's a docuseries called Six Figure Side Hustles, and it will be starting in less than a week, May 23rd. You can go to the link below and you can get your ticket and the freebie as well. But what is the freebie? You're going to learn at the end of this episode. So make sure you hang on. Now, who is going to be in this episode? We've got Roger Hamilton, and he will be speaking about side hustle wealth. All right, so this is what it's all about getting wealthy through side hustles. But what exactly is his side hustle? He's going to talk about the 3 phases of entrepreneurship and how to quickly get to phase 3 where the real money flows. And he reveals a Japanese concept that lets you achieve real wealth and real health quickly. Sounds like something I am very much interested in learning about. He's also going to say why now is the best time to get incredibly wealthy in any country in the world, no matter where you start today, and why economic changes are forcing people to become entrepreneurs, and how to make sure that you are not left behind. And finally, he's going to be speaking about 3 types of capital, and which 2 will make sure you don't lose anything in a downturn, and how to structure your bank accounts so that you don't lose any money when a downturn happens. Next, we have Alison Prince, who is going to tell us how to make 6 figures selling simple products. That's going to include the trash can experience that led her to understand that she could make money from selling anything. It made her see that she could make a living from working online, as we all can, and how she earned her first $300 that same evening. This can literally turn junk that's lying around your house into solid cash. Is this process simple, you may be thinking? Well, her 10 and 13-year-old daughters copied what she was doing and are making 6 figures before they've started school. That's obviously before high school, not junior school. They're 10 and 13, but still, that's pretty impressive. And how thousands of women are using the same technique to be making thousands. Now, before I get to the 3rd person that's in episode 4, let me just ask you one thing. Have you subscribed yet? If you have, great, thank you. If you haven't, there's a link down here that you can tap and you can subscribe. Also, if you do like this video, you think it's giving you value, do press the like button, and you can also hit that bell if you want to be notified about the next video, which will be coming tomorrow for episode 5. All right, so who is it? It's Liz Germain, and she will be teaching you her YouTube star cash flow formula. She will be revealing the #1 secret to creating a successful YouTube channel that almost everyone gets wrong, and 3 specific tools that will guarantee that you're going to get a head start on your competitors, and guarantees your content will get loads of views and income. And lastly, she's going to teach you how to find the perfect sweet spot so that you can niche your way in and compete against established channels with hundreds of thousands of followers and a 6-figure income. And that is a little preview for you of episode 4 of the 6-figure side hustles. Now, if you don't have your tickets yet, your pass that will see all 9 episodes, tap on the link below. As well as that, you're going to get your freebie. What is the freebie? It's the 3 AI side hustles anyone can start. That means you can start it straight away. You can download that at the link below, get your free pass, and you're in. And I will be seeing you at the, I won't see you literally, but I'll be watching it as you're watching it. Starts next Tuesday, 23rd of May, 7 p.m. EST. That's American time, so that's late for us Brits, but don't worry, because you can watch it for 24 hours. So Brits, we can watch it the next day, and if you want to watch it again, if you watched it already, you can watch it a second time, because there'll be tons of information in there. Make sure you've got your notebook and pen, get those notes down, and decide which side hustle is right for you. Is it one of the side hustles from episode 1 or 2, 3, 4 or 5, which you'll find out tomorrow. So do stay tuned. Tune in tomorrow. A little preview of episode 5. Until then, take care of yourselves. Bye bye.